Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can fix a Riot Client Vanguard error event 57. So without further ado, let's get started. First thing what you need to do here is to close Riot Client completely. And then second thing what you need to do here is to open up a task manager. Not task manager, CMD. Command prompt, run as admin. And then you need to put few commands. So first command is ipconfig release. ipconfig release. Then you need to put the command that is called ipconfig renew. And then you need to put command that is a ipconfig//dns. And after that, look if the problem persists. So we can go back to Riot Client, go to League of Legends and look if it's working or not. And if it's not working, then I will show you other steps that you need to do here in order to this game will open, right? So as you can see here, I'm still getting this error here. So let's proceed with other steps. Again, completely close Riot Client. Riot Client should be closed here. First thing what you need to do here is to go to installed apps and then look for Vanguard, right? And uninstall Vanguard. And wait and press yes and wait until uninstall process is done. Then open up your file explorer and go to this PC. On default, basically Riot Client and League of Legends is on disk C, Riot Games. And then just need to delete Riot Client and League of Legends folders here. And try again. If this message occurs here that you cannot delete some files, you just need to completely close Riot Client. And then you can delete these files. And after you delete it, you just need to restart your computer. After you restart it, write on Google League of Legends installer and press Riot Games and download for Windows, okay? Or Mac if you play on Mac, of course. And then you just need to run the installer. Press install and wait until install process is done. Riot Client should install first and then it should automatically launch. If it's not launching, just click on the Riot Client and then you just need to install League of Legends. So wait until installation process is download and install process is done. Then you should get this message here so we can restart your computer or close Riot Client completely and then go to services. Then you need to go and click on one of the tasks here and press VGC. And then you need to look for properties, make sure it's running on automatic and make sure server status running. If it's not running, press start, apply, okay, and relaunch Riot Client. And after that, the game should work. In my personal case, I just basically enabled services, but it won't work. So I just needed to restart my computer. And now, as you can see here, the game is perfectly working. So that's pretty much it. If I help you out, please press like.